Morning, mummy. Where are we going today? Christmas shopping. Nyom. So good morning, everybody. It's Saturday, and now we can start getting turned up on the Saturday mornings. I'm just fucking my hair, and I look like some posh kid called Quentin. Yeah, I'm gonna go do some Christmas shopping today, and it should be good banks because I'm with the good old sod off mum. If you don't know where that's from, then watch yesterday's vlog. Yesterday's and today, and the day before. I forget this is the day ahead. But yeah, see you in a bit. Big quiff. Fluffy quiff. Oh god. Oh god, I broke it.
Hey guys, how's it going? I am very hungover at the moment. Oh my god, I got such a massive headache. I look such a state right now, I'm sorry, but yeah, hope you guys are doing well. I'm not, I am dying right now. I've got my bottle of orangeade on the go. Nearly finished the whole bottle of that. I'm gonna get showered up in a minute, probably go out for a walk, get some fresh air. I'll see you guys later.
Just wait, so put it in there.
Well, no, that's the old one. That's the one I lost. That's lost. Yeah, test it. It's 07700 900 168.
Okay, alright, well I'll ring to confirm Monday.
Are you vlogging me?
Yeah,
Oh no.
everyone loves you.
Yeah, but everyone hates me now. It's in vain.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Just got to put the lights on. Sorry, mate.
Pepperoni,
No. Oh my god, where is it? Ow! Hey!
What, are you busy?
Look at that!
What call you next?
Yeah, I don't want to finish though.
Look at that.
It's all really snowed under.
It's fucking beautiful.
That's hilarious.
Hey guys, what's going on? So it's it is, what is it now? 5 o'clock at least. So what I'm gonna do is gonna jump in the shower, get all smart, you know, get all changed, and I'm gonna go out and ride and get on it again. I know I said I had a hangover, but you know what you gotta do? You gotta soldier on, you know, bring the power back, you know. Gonna have a good night. See you later.
Shannon. Hello. You found what you were looking for?
No.
Alright guys, just showered up, looking very wet at the moment, but wash my hair. But yeah, I got my nice shirt on, and got my best boxers on, you know, gotta look nice. I'm not going to show you them. But yeah, gonna go out tonight, gonna get even more drunk than last night. It's gonna be fantastic.
Lie down. Shut off! Daniel, Bonnie, get down.
I'm not done. I'll get out. We've got some lights on in here. Cooking was the opposite chaff, so today we got some steaks, yeah. And we got some mushrooms, yeah.
Dolphin wild potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can I slice the mushrooms? Yeah. Gonna slice them like my wrists. This one. I'm just stabbing my young mum.
Classic.
My training knife, yeah. No, I can't stand the camera. There's a big difference. Peeling, mushroom, peeling, mushroom, peeling, mushroom, peeling, mushrooms. Are we going to slice and dice them? It gives it the essence of shit.
Been too soon.
Oh yeah, mushrooms. All chopped up.
Oh, piss off.
Oh, how are you, Ben?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. So what you been up to?
E-cigarette. What you been up to?
I don't know.
Let's come on, man.
Let's go and follow Ben then. Where are we going? Where are we
Fucking hell.
Where are we going?
I'm going to heaven apparently.
What are we doing?
Fucking hell,
What are we doing?
Drinking.
Are we really?
Yeah.
Yeah, Ben's blinded by the light because he's a
Shit, I can't
pussy.
even see.
Nor can I actually, fuck. Oh, a light just came on. Fine. Ben, he's got a fruit shoot. How do you feel? Oh.
Well, what it is Ben hasn't bothered getting his ID for 4 years because he's like fucking bent or something. I don't know. He thinks homosexuals can't get ID, so I got him a fucking fruit shoot. Alright, that's all he's got.
So Ben, what would you give tonight out of 10?
Now, 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Why?
It's been alright. It's not been too bad.
Yeah, why?
Good, blimey, man.
Yeah?
It's been alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What else?
Fucking drunk naked guy jumped on us. That gets minus points right there.
Matt, what would you give tonight out of 10?
4.5.
Yes. Because some fat dude actually went on top of us. Not sexually.
Oh, might be. You don't know what he was
Yeah,
thinking.
but what else happens tonight?
That's all I remember is PTSD, man.
Right, that is actually the end of Vlogmas episode 10 or 11. Cheers, guys.
I got all my presents today, which I can't actually show because everyone that watches the vlogs, his presents are in there. So, good. What's up, Mum? Oh yeah, it's okay. Hello.
With your,
They're bread roll.
sorry.
Beat me out of a drawer. No.
Petty pains.
Bread rolls.
Did it say bread roll on there?
For what?
No.
Petty.
For white part bait petty pains.
Go fuck yourself.
How rude.